Some Roblox items have reportedly changed hands for tens of thousands of dollars. Real money for virtual hats and accessories. And the teens holding the rarest ones are sitting on what looks like an investment portfolio, except almost none of them can actually cash out. Today, I want to show you why that gap exists, what it means for anyone holding valuable virtual items, and what this teaches us about what valuable actually means. First, what are Roblox Limiteds? Limiteds are a specific category of Roblox items that were released in limited quantities and can no longer be obtained through normal means. Think of them like a first edition trading card or a rare sneaker. There are only so many in existence, and that scarcity is what drives the price. Inside Roblox, limiteds are traded on a marketplace. Prices are set in Robux, Roblox's virtual currency. Some of the rarest items trade at prices that, by community estimates, translate to tens of thousands of dollars, in some cases reportedly more than a used car. Those are estimates, not guaranteed prices. But even taking them at face value, the money still isn't really there. Here's the cash out problem. If you want to convert your Robux into real dollars, Roblox has a program called Developer Exchange, DevEx. The current rate, approximately $0.0038 per Robux, meaning 1 million Robux converts to about $3,800. But DevEx isn't open to everyone. You need to be at least 13 years old, have a Roblox premium subscription, have tax documents on file, and have earned at least 30,000 Robux through your own creations. Games, game passes, items you designed. And here's the trap. That hat might be worth 40 million Robux. But Roblox will only turn Robux into real dollars if you earned it by building something. The Robux you get from selling or trading a limited? Roblox doesn't count that as earned. It's not DevEx eligible. It's stuck. You've got a collectible that's worth a fortune and a cash out button that won't let you press it. This is the double illiquidity problem. First, the value is an estimate, not a guaranteed sale price. Second, even if you do sell your item, the Robux you receive can't be cashed out through official channels. This is called a closed-loop economy. The value exists inside the system. The exit doesn't exist the way most people think it does. Now there's one more option some players use: third-party trading, selling your account or arranging real money trades for items outside the platform. This violates Roblox terms of service. It risks permanent account bans, and it opens you up to scams because there's no platform protection on unofficial trades. So the rare item is worth tens of thousands of dollars to someone who wants it inside Roblox. But getting that value out of Roblox is somewhere between impossible, against the rules, and scam territory. Now here's the investing lesson. An asset is only worth what someone will pay for it and what you can actually do with the proceeds. A limited item that trades for the equivalent of $50,000 is not a $50,000 asset. If the Robux you receive can't be converted to dollars, it's a number inside a closed system. Those are different things. This is actually a version of a concept called liquidity. Liquidity means how quickly and easily can you convert an asset to cash. Real estate is relatively illiquid. It takes months to sell. Stocks are liquid. You can sell in seconds at a public price. Roblox Limiteds are extremely illiquid, and the cash-out path for trading proceeds doesn't officially exist. When someone says their Roblox item is worth a fortune, the right question isn't really? The right question is, worth it to whom, in what form, and can you actually get the money? Asking that question about any asset, not just virtual ones, is one of the most important financial habits you can build. Here are 3 things that test whether something is a real investment. 1. Can you convert it to cash at the stated price? Not theoretically. Actually, today, if the answer is yes, but only inside the platform, or yes, but the proceeds can't be cashed out, that's not a real cash value. It's a platform value. 2. Is the market for it real and independent? Roblox Limiteds trade inside Roblox's marketplace. Roblox controls the platform, the currency, and the rules. If the company changes its policies, DevEx rates, item rules, platform terms, the value changes overnight. You're not holding an independent asset. You're holding value that exists at Roblox's discretion. 3. What's the exit? Every real investment has a clear exit path. You know what it takes to sell and what you'll receive. For Roblox Limiteds, the exit is murky. Sell for Robux that can't be cashed out. Attempt DevEx only if you're a creator with earned Robux or third-party trade. Against terms of service, scam risk. Murky exits are a red flag on any asset. None of this means Roblox Limiteds have zero value. Inside Roblox, they're real and tradable. If you enjoy collecting them as part of the game, that's legitimate. But the moment you start thinking of them as an investment, as wealth you're building, you need to apply the same questions you'd ask about any asset. Can I get the money out? Is the market independent? What's the exit? If you can't answer those three clearly, you don't have an investment. You have something that looks like one. Hit subscribe if you want to know the difference before it costs you. See you in the next one.